The United Kingdom, a nation shaped by its geographical challenges and strategic location. From island logistics to uneven terrains, UK industries encounter hurdles in material transfer and transportation. EDDY Pump emerges as the solution, offering state-of-the-art slurry pumps and dredging equipment tailored to the UK's major sectors. With applications spanning agriculture, manufacturing, chemicals, electronics, machinery, and metals, EDDY Pump's technology navigates UK's diverse terrain with ease. Opt for EDDY Pump's rental services to gain a strategic advantage in material transfer and infrastructure maintenance. Flexible and cost-effective, EDDY Pump rentals empower UK industries to overcome capital constraints and adapt to project demands. Select EDDY Pump as your preferred partner for immediate access to cutting-edge technology. From agriculture to manufacturing, EDDY Pump ensures efficient material transfer and infrastructure maintenance across the UK's critical industries. Explore our transformative pump and dredge equipment offerings today. Contact us today. Transform your operations with EDDY Pump. We pump solids, not water.